ways to say thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. Thanks a million. Thanks for your help. Thanks for helping me. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough. I owe you one. I owe you one. আপনি আমাকে ঋণী করে দিলেন অথবা আমি আপনার কাছে ঋণী হয়ে গেলাম। 10 ways to respond to thank you. You are welcome. You are welcome. No problem. No problem. No worries. No worries. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. My pleasure. My pleasure. Anytime. Anytime. It was the least I could do. It was the least I could do. Glad to help. Glad to help. Sure. Sure. Thank you. Thank you. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media. We will meet soon for another lesson. Thank you.